Okay, so we're on to assembly step 7 now. For this we need 4 of the linear bearing blocks. We need 4 M3 by 18mm screws, 4 M3 nuts. We also need 4 of these guide rod backup plates. Need your posi screwdriver, and we need some of the linear rods. In the package there's 2 different sizes, and for this we need 2 of the smaller ones, so you can pop the rest back in the box for now. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is we're going to put some of these linear bearing blocks onto the rod, and to do this you want to be as careful as you can. Try and see if any of them have got any sharp edges on or anything like that, and you want to pop this in as careful as you can, because if you catch them balls wrong, recirculating balls that are on the inside, it can push them all out and you'll need some new ones. So that one's on there, so we've got one on. Just put the next one on gently. So we've got 2 on there. I'm going to do the same again for the other rod. Just make sure there's no sharp edges. Find which one's the best, I'd say that bit. Gently push them on, just giving it a twist as you're doing it. And then the same again for the next one. Okay, that seems to be gripping it a little bit. It's like the seal. Let's see what's happened. The little rubber seal inside the bearing block itself is a bit squished. That's better. So we've got the bearing blocks on the rods. So the next thing we're going to want to do is put them onto the assembly that we've already done. So what we'll do first of all is we'll just pop it in through the hole at the top there, and then you've got another one at the front, on the front plate there. So we'll just get that in there for now. We'll do them one at a time. So we'll turn this round to the back. We want one of these bearing sort of linear guide stop plates, I think that's what they call them. Rod backup plate or something like that. It's just basically to stop the rods from sliding out of each end. So I'll peel off the stickers on these. Okay, so I've got the first one. Just going to line it up with the hole here, like so. I'm going to put the screw through the hole, put a nut on the back there, slide your rod back in the hole, position that so it covers that hole, and then just tighten that down like so, and then we're going to do the same for the other side. If your rod is sticking through either of these plates, stopping you from screwing these on flush, just undo your nuts that we did earlier, and just position the rods so that the linear rods are within the insides of the two outer plates, so the front and the back plate. So I'm just going to do the same again now on the opposite side on the back here. Place the screw through the hole, hit your nut, and then just tighten that up. So position it over the hole and screw that down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the other linear rod in. Just pull that plate up a bit so I can push it through. There we go. And then push that back down. So nice and tight there. So now I'm going to adjust this so that these sit up against, pushing up against that plate there, both sides, but so it's nice and flush on this side as well. So I'm just going to adjust this front plate here, get me spanner back out that we used earlier, just loosen this nut off here, and I'm just going to wind that in until that sits nice and, well, we'll do it so it's just off for now. We'll get them covers on, there we go. So we'll get these on at the fronts now, so you screw through the hole, nut on the back, and just pop the other one on. I'm going to tighten them up so they're nice and tight. So, make sure these are nice and tight. And I'm going to loosen the back nuts again. I'm going to make sure these rods are pushed right up against them back plates there. And then I'm going to just knit this up till it grabs that. So there's no play. See how you can hear that on that one, but then this one, nice and solid. Still a little bit of play there, so I'll just wind it a little bit more. There we go, nice and solid. And I'm just going to knit that nuts up again. Right, just double check. Perfect. So that's assembly step 7. So we've got the bearing blocks on. You see how clear these little cutouts here. And we're ready for assembly step 7.